I, Raviranjan Tiwari. Today, I am going to continue my lecture for class 9th, unit 3rd, The Little Girl. In previous classes, I have already taught you about this chapter, the important feature of this chapter. Today, I continue paragraph 3rd, so please listen carefully. She never settled with other people, had quite given it up, but only with father, because then she was trying so hard to say the words properly. Kezia appeared from his father, appeared towards his father, and her condition is not very good, and she was not able to pronounce a single word frequently, so she was not suffered like a disease of this stubbornness, but she was not able to express her feelings towards her father. What is the matter? What are you looking so wretched about? Mother, I wish you taught this child not to appear on the brink of suicide. Here Kezia carried my teacup back to the table carefully. Her parent, her father, was not able to understand the real condition of her child, so he asked her mother, please taught your children how to appear, and it is not good for her to appear like this way and like the brink of suicide. Here Kezia carried my teacup back to the table carefully. Kezia carried my teacup and put on the table very carefully. He was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth when he yawned. Thinking about him alone was like thinking about a giant. Through these lines, writer describes about the feeling of a little girl and towards her father, and she thought about her father. Her father was so big, and his hands and his necks are also so big, and his mouth is especially when he yawned, that is like a big giant, and about him alone with like thinking about a giant. On Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. But the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa, his handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cousins, sleeping soundly and snoring. She sat on a stool, gravely watched him until he woke and stretched and asked the time, then looked at her. On Sunday afternoon, grandmother sent that little girl to talk with her parents, her father and mother, and grandmother wanted to make condition very easy to the parents or the children. And when that little girl appeared in that room where his father was stretched on the sofa and her mother was busy to read newspaper, and she found her father stretched out on the sofa his handkerchief on his face, and his face on one of the best cousins, and sleeping soundly and snoring. This is the feature of her father. And she sat on a stool. She was not. She has no courage to say something about his father or her about her father or her mother. So gravely watched him until woke and stretches and asked the time, then looked at her. So that little girl sat in that room and she watched her father activity. When he woke up and he stretched on the sofa and asked about the time, then her father looked at her. Don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. The tone of her father was not very much suitable of that girl, and see, it is the feature of fairness. And he asked her little child, "You look like a little brown owl." The brown owl is not a very sweet word. It is a very bad word for her child. One day, when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week and suggested she should make him a pin cushion for a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. And her grandmother always tried to make situation very easy to the parents or the children. So one day her grandmother, Kejia's grandmother, suggested to the Kejia, you know your father's birthday on one day when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her, and her grandmother told her means to Kezia that father's birthday was next week. You know your father's birthday was next week. So I suggested you to make a pin cushion for a gift on that birthday, on his birthday, out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. And through these lines, writer describes about the father, mother, little girl Kezia, and grandmother. All are very serious to make the situation very easy. But the little girl always afraid to watch her father's behavior. She was not very much suitable, and she was not feel very easy to her father. Today I want to stop my lecture, so I suggested all the students, please go and read out these lines very carefully and try to understand. If you have any problem, then you ask me and I try to solve your problem. Thank you.